In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add geometry nodes to a curve in Blender. This object is a curve, and just the way we can use geometry nodes on the meshes, we can use them on the curves as well. This is an example set of nodes. Unlike the meshes, the curves are non-destructive objects, and we can create very interesting results by using geometry nodes. I'll show you how this example mesh was created. If you don't see this curve point in the menu, please activate Extra Objects add-on. After clicking 3D button, I pressed E to extrude. Type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Then I beveled the curve. In this example, I'm placing cubes on the curve points. We can certainly use other mesh primitives or other meshes. Unlike destructive meshes, we can place sophisticated meshes via geometry nodes and move them around freely. We can also use the same node on mesh primitives. This node can be used to create a good line art renders. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.